Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be going over the very important Windows security settings in Windows 10. Before I begin, give this video a like, hit that thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. So in Windows 10, there is what's called Windows Security. In Windows Security, you can actually run a free virus scan. That's actually built into Windows 10. So I'm going to show you how to get to it, and I'm also going to go over a couple things in Windows Security, just to give you an overview of everything. So first thing you want to do is click on Type Here to search down here at the bottom, and type in Windows Security. And click on the first one, Best Match Windows Security app. So from here, this window pops up and it says Security at a Glance. See what's happening with the security and health of your device, and take any actions needed. So we have a couple options here that we can go through, and I'm just going to go through the most important ones. But for the first one is the virus and threat protection. So if you click this, you can actually scan your entire computer. You can do a quick scan, which will only take maybe a couple minutes. It's just scanning some files and documents that are on your computer, scanning them for viruses. As you can see, it's saying how many files are being scanned, and it's probably going to not find anything, but that's all right. I just wanted to show you what you do for the quick scan. So when that's done, I will show you how to do a full scan, which takes about, could range anywhere between 20 and 40 minutes. So right now it says, no current threats have been found. Do a quick scan. I would advise you to do a quick scan at least maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks. But if you click on Scan Options, you have choices to do a quick scan, a full scan, which is basically everything and anything on your computer. You can also do a custom scan, which you can pinpoint where you want the scan to take place and what files you want to be scanned. So yeah, so those are your scan options. You can also do a Windows Defender offline scan if you wanted to. So once you do that, we'll just go back here, click the back arrow. All right, so virus and threat protection settings, no action needed. Virus and threat protection updates, you could check for updates. Mine's already updated. It updated today at 1:19. So I'm just going to click back again. Okay, so another important thing you want to look for on this Security at Glance is the app and browser control. If you click on that, you get a couple options here. You have check apps and files, and I have this on Warn, and maybe you do too. Basically, if try to download something or Microsoft says they can't recognize the apps, they're going to warn you of what you're trying to do, what you're trying to download may be dangerous. Now you could just block everything and anything, or you can click on off. I suggest you don't click off. I would keep it on warn just so you have that sense of security in case you do click on something you didn't want to. It'll warn you ahead of time. So if you use Microsoft Edge, same thing. This is the web browser Microsoft Edge. It will help protect your device from malicious sites and downloads. That's the Edge browser. And it also has a smart screen for Microsoft Store apps, which I have that on Warn, but I will go through the Microsoft Store in another video. The Microsoft Store, you can install apps to your computer. So I will go through that on another video. So I'll go back here. If you click on Device Performance and Health, you can see that the health report was last scanned today. I had a quick scan at 7:22, and it tells you that there's no issues, battery life, apps and software, Windows time service, there's no issues. So green check marks mean good, red X mean bad. That was just a quick rundown on how to access Windows Defender and security options, and that's how you run a virus scan on your Windows 10 machine. Yeah, it's pretty basic, but it still gets the job done. You know, it still scans the computer. If it finds anything, you can remove it. There's prompts that tell you to remove it or quarantine it or all that good stuff. So hopefully this video helped you on how to find the security options and run a virus scan. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I will see you guys on the next video.